Mother, did you say Barbara and Sylvia left the palace?
Yes. Even Ifenkili's parents came and took her away.
That's fine. Mother, let them go for all I care. This completely shows that they cannot be my wife.
Though it wasn't Ifenkili's intention to leave, her parents forced her to leave because of her ill health.
Mom, tell me the truth. Will I ever walk again?
Sure, you will. The doctor assured me. The doctor said you will walk again. Please don't be scared. Okay? You are safe. Even the throne is safe. Okay? It's alright.
Who is in love with the prince? Who is in love? Got my phone. Oh Lord, hear my cry. Oh Lord, hear my cry.
For the past 2 weeks now, Joki has never called me on phone to check on me or even ask me how my father is doing. Yet he claims he loves me. It seems I have to pay him a visit tonight, even though it means ending this relationship. So be it.
I cannot stop crying, 'cause my heart is
Chizzy, you're so beautiful. And I love you so much.
You're falling in love with me? What about my best friend, Dalushi?
Chizzy, can you just stop? I do not love Daluchi. I'm only personal time with her.
Really?
Yes.
So why don't you tell her that?
Well, I'm waiting for the right time to tell her to move on with her life.
I hope you're not playing with my feelings. You have been dating her for a very long time. Then why don't you open up?
Like I told you before, I do not love Daluchi. It is your truly love. I truly love you.
Dalushi, please, it's not what you think. It's not what you think.
Chizzy, stay with me.
What are you saying? Eh? What are you saying? I should be here? Look, I never knew you invited me over just to say all sort of nonsense.
Can you just keep quiet? We've met out once. Why are you acting up?
It was a mistake and it will never repeat itself again.
Chizzy, I need you. I'm not Daluchi.
You need me. Dalushi is my best. Dalushi is my...
I say stop there. Now tell me, where have you been? Because I know you are on break today. You didn't go to work. Daluchingwam, ebekisi.
Mama, please. I am tired. I need to sleep. Biko.
My dear, what is the matter? Onwelifemenu. My dear, talk to me. I'm your mother. What happened?
Mama, please just forget about this thing. We can always talk tomorrow. I want to go in and sleep. Let's go in.
Adam, you asking me for what is the problem now? Eh?
I'm coming! Wait!
Dalushin, please, I'm sorry. Look, I never knew Joker had such intention towards you, please. Please.
Chizzy, you know you're a betrayer, right? So this is what you do behind my back.
No, look, he invited me over. He said you were there. And he said you wanted to surprise you. I shouldn't call you on phone.
Wow. Wow! I should believe you now.
Look, we're not having an affair. I swear.
Okay. Good. Please, Chizzy. Just before they label me something else in this village, get out.
Please.
Get out!
Please.
Oh, no, wait. Hold on, please.
Chizzy, hold on, please. Don't go anywhere, Chizzy.
Happiness in a hobby. If you never see her, if you see him, you must laugh. If you angry, if you see him, you must laugh. Yellow papa, and then life and killing. Look again, where Sabi. Yellow papa.
Hey, you thank you, my love. Hey, you thank you. I thought you were a good wife.
Oga, shift.
Shift where? How can you eat without me? Where is my own food?
There is no food for you.
Meaning what? My own food?
No. You give me food keep for you. Abi?
You thank you. I'm talking and they are still eating. Eh?
You are talking, I'm still dancing. No. That 1,000 where you give me, I what not go use to cook.
So you mean 1,000 naira cannot prepare a good food?
They joke. They play.
And they play?
I should give you food. Food that you did not cook, you did not buy, you did not bring money. You know why I did this, sir? I did this, sir, because you give my papa and mama 50 naira. They can't carry me come here. Me, inside my mind, I never approve say you be my husband. For this Nigeria where me and you dey. You dey give me 1,000. Make I use and cook. It's not now John the Baptist said I won't use and buy. I've been a rat meat. I go use and buy. I told to see. Leave me oh.
Hey, so if I'm killing, you are serious?
No.
Eh?
I dey joke.
Make sure this your action no reach my private property.
Huh?
My private property.
Let me that one. No, waiting be your private property.
You know now.
You mean
I bought it. Must you point it?
Shut up.
You know
waiting be dog chain. I don't use dog chain that place. You are to see. You cannot cross. The key said I don't throw away. The key where you use open them. I don't throw away. You won't enter my something.
You are something or my something?
You know Nancy B.
My something.
No, you know Nancy B. You won't enter here. Who you be? See your teeth.
So you will not give me my property and you will not give me food.
I'm not doing anything. I don't know you. You don't know me.
Okay, see action now. Give me that.
Give me. She knows a bit the rest, but she's a bit happiness. And then
Ifenki, this one a mess or a bomb you threw?
Fat. You want chop?
Eat your food. Oh, eat your food. Let me go and drink my pine wine.
This is good for you. It is very, very good for you. You cannot come and chat my wife for me. Get out.
Hey, not only human being I marry. I feel marry mess.
Now you just find out. They go make her chop my food.
Okay, eat your food.
You want to come and eat my mind that you did not give me money to prepare? Unala. You don't know why.
Happiness in the palace. Happiness in the palace.
At what is it? Bring what that come for me, yo. Go and keep pasta.
My queen, who should I call now? My queen, please, you need urgent medication to calm this blood pressure. It's too high.
Call Joke. Let him take me to the health center. The family doctor is far from us now.
Okay, my queen.
Take my phone and call him.
Okay, my queen.
My queen, I know of a nurse from the neighboring community. She's close to me. I think I should quickly call her. She will attend to you.
I hope she will not take time to come.
No, my queen. I think I should rather rush and bring her here so that she will attend to you than for you going there.
Please be fast.
Okay, my queen. I'll be back.
I'm sorry, my queen. Thank you. So sorry, my queen. Thank you.
Don't even know the reason why I'm calling you.
Then start talking. Start talking. I'm here. Start talking.
Well, the queen is sick and she needs your urgent attention.
You think I'm stupid, Abby? You think I don't have sense? The queen is sick. One of your tricks. One of your useless tricks. The queen is sick. Oh.
Madam, I'm not joking. What is even wrong with you, Daluchi? Why can't you just listen to me for once? See, Daluchi, we have to keep our differences aside right now and face on the reason why I'm here. Please.
I'm listening. I'm listening. Talk.
Fine. The queen is really sick. She asked me to call you. Please, your attention is so needed in the palace now. You must help her. Please, we can just keep our differences for now and sort it out later.
You're very serious.
Yes, please. We can actually sort out our differences later. But now, please, I promise to marry you and I've not deviated from that. I've not changed my words.
Are you being serious right now? You're talking about marriage. What is wrong with you? Is it about you or about the queen?
It's about the queen. It's about the queen. So just come with me, please.
Oh, you're serious?
I am serious. She's very sick now, please.
Okay. Then I'll go and see her. At least she's going to give me enough money. Good money.
Oh, it's all about money.
Is it supposed to be about you? Is it supposed to be about you?
Okay, no problem.
Please wait here. Let me go and get my equipment.
Be fast about it.
I'm sorry. You're going to be alright, okay? Your high blood pressure has reduced with the help of the medications I gave you.
Thank you so much, Daluchi.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
You came at the right time and I appreciate that.
It's okay, my queen. All you need to do is take your medications as prescribed, alright?
Okay. Well,
Okay.
Carol,
Yes, my queen.
there is money in the drawer. Give it to her.
Okay, my queen.
My queen. For me? Daluchi,
Yes, my queen.
you deserve more.
My queen, thank you so much. This is so much. This is huge. This is big. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless.
Okay.
Please get well soon, okay?
I appreciate you.
I appreciate you too.
My regards to your father.
Alright, he will hear. Kara, please. Thank you, Daluchi. Thank you, thank you.
My queen, how do you feel?
I feel better.
Thank you. I will. Thank you once again.
Mama? What is it? Okay, what is it? Tell me. Wait, you mean the queen gave you all this money? Yes. After you attended to her? Yes. Hey! Oh, thank you, God. Yes, and Mama, see, now this money will take care of, little of Papa's debts. Yes. And for 2 weeks, he's feeding his son. You can see that again, it will. Oh, my daughter. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. You have done it again for us. Mama, where is Papa? Where is Papa? They have taken him away again. Oh. Hey. They took Papa in his sickness. My daughter, I am confused because your father is seriously sick and they are torturing him over there. And I'm coming, let me go and see. Get me. Where are you going to? I want to go and see him. If that's the case, take this money, give it to them so that they can release him for us. This will settle some debts. Go. So all these ladies that came to this palace left because of my son's predicament. I think that nurse will make a good wife. How do I convince her to be my son's wife? I have to invite her over and talk to her. Thanks for honoring my invitation. Please sit.
It's my pleasure, my queen.
You're welcome. I want you to do me a favor.
A favor? What could the queen of this land possibly need from a commoner like me?
I heard your father is a debtor.
Yes, but how did you know?
The wall have ears, so don't bother how I found out.
Okay, but what has this favor got to do with my father? Please tell me, what's the favor you ask of me?
Will you marry my son and bear him an heir to the throne?
Why me? Why did you choose me?
Because I found you worthy. But there's a clause. Which is, you will conceive without intimacy.
My queen, are you talking about artificial insemination?
That is the word. You are a smart girl. That is why I chose you. Fast thinker. I love fast thinkers. Yeah.
But why without intimacy? Is it that he's he can't, you know, impregnate a lady, or is he what?
He's paralyzed. I know you wouldn't want your father to die in pain. You would like to pay your father's debts? Think about it.
Hear my cry, wipe my Chineke, inoziboneme. Chineke, inoziboneme. Wipe my tears. Dalu chingwem, stop crying, wipe your tears.
Daluchi, you don't need a second thought on this. You need to accept this request as soon as possible.
Mama, the prince is paralyzed.
And I've not seen him. Gini Wemezia? Does it matter? My dear daughter, this is an opportunity we have to pay off your father's debt. Yes.
Do you even understand what the queen wants to do? Artificial insemination. Like take the prince... Mama.
And I'm very sure that once I give birth to this child, I will leave the palace. They will throw me out. My dear. By then, we would have been able to pay off your father's debt. Yes. We can't miss this opportunity, my dear. Please, accept this request. You can name. This is the only chance we have. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. I'm going to go and see the prince tomorrow so that we can start the marriage arrangements.
Good. Hey.
My queen, you know I cannot marry the prince without seeing him. Please, just take me to him. Let me see him at least.
Daluchi, I told you before, the prince is paralyzed and you can't see him now.
I understand that, but how can I marry someone I barely know? Just a little relationship, let's build something first.
It will not be possible. It won't be possible at all. Daluchi, if you want your father's debts to be paid, you won't even give this opportunity a second thought. You will just grab it.
My queen. My queen, it's a difficult thing to do. I don't know. I can hardly do it.
My darling, nothing is difficult here. Anyway, I can't force you. It's your choice. But in case you later changed your mind, like if you made up your mind to do it, come back to me. Then we will start up the marriage rite.
Thank you so much, my queen.
Who is in love with the king? Who is in love? Who is in love with the prince? Who is in love?
My son, I pray that you recover very soon. I've gotten a wife for you.
she's going to give you an heir to the throne. And you will inherit what rightfully belongs to you. No one will ever take away the throne from you. It's your inheritance.
You better shine your eye. You better shine your eye. Use your brain. Use your sense, yo. Cause love is not by might. Love is by action. You cannot eat your cake and expect to have it again.
Your Majesty, the Queen of the ancient kingdom.
Go and bring out her luggage.
Your Majesty.
Kara,
Your Majesty.
Welcome to our palace. Thank you. I'm most pleased. The prince will be happy to meet you. I would love to meet him now. Don't worry. You will go in there and freshen up. Then Kara will take you to your room. Okay, my queen. Kara, get her luggage. Then take her to her room.
Okay.
Okay.
Who is in love with the prince? Who is in love? Got my faith, lead me through. Got my faith, yo. Got my faith, lead me through. Got my faith, yo. He did it, mala mala, mala mala, he did it, mala mala, he did it, mala mala, mala mala, he did it, mala mala.
Here is the prince.
He doesn't talk.
No. He has been like this for a month now. Listen, Dalichi. You need to be patient to tolerate, because it's only patience that will help you win this game. Okay. I will take my leave now. All right.
My queen.
Doctor,
Yes, my queen.
what's the result?
She's perfectly fit and fine to have the prince child.
Oh.
Yeah.
That means we are good to go.
Yeah, we are good to go now. Just let me know when you're ready, ma. I'll be at your service.
It's all right. I will inform you as soon as possible when we are ready to carry out the...
Perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, I better take my leave now. Be on my way. Some other time.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Daluchi, you are not looking happy.
My queen, why don't we just fly the prince abroad or something? His condition is not okay.
He refused. He totally refused when the incident happened. He insisted that he remains in his room. Is that why you're angry? Cheer up, my girl. You don't have to be angry, okay? I am still believing God for a miracle. Yeah. I believe that one day, by the special grace of God, he will be on his feet again.
Amen.
Yes. So relax.
Okay, my queen.
You can go and rest.
Thank you.
Kaka.
No one to trust in this life, nobody to trust you. You better shine your eyes. You better shine your eyes. Use your brain. Use your sense, yo. 'Cause love is not by love. Love is by action. You cannot eat your cake and expect to have it again.
I called to inform you that the royal doctor will be coming around to carry out some checks on you every 2 days.
But my queen, I am fine. I am absolutely okay. It's not like I have any disease.
I know. But it's important that he continue to run a check on you every 2 days.
I understand what you're saying. Well, it's okay. Who am I to say no? My queen, I would never, ever oppose your orders. Whatever you say goes for me.
Wow. That's good. He might come tomorrow if it's chance. Okay. Take a glass and join me. Yeah. You're now a royal.
Yeah, but...
No, it's not alcoholic. Okay, please.
I'll get a glass. Thank you.
My careful for carry go maro. My cancer boa, the make of guanifa. Oh Lord, hear my cry. Oh Lord, hear my cry. Wipe my chin
Okay. On the medical report, she's better and can conceive at any time. Daluchi, just do as I've told you. You'll be fine. That'll be all, my queen.
Dr. Chooks,
My queen.
thank you so much.
It's nothing, my queen.
I appreciate your efforts towards my son.
You're welcome, my queen.
God will bless you.
You too. Daluchi, just endeavor to do this within an hour so it works perfectly.
Okay, doctor, I will.
That'll be all, my queen.
Thank you so much.
I will leave now.
Let me see you to the sitting room.
That would be nice.
My mama know they do my papa this thing when they're there alive.
Okay, now they follow me.
Like
Now they follow me.
eh? If I could, okay, now look at my face.
I know they look.
So you know they pity this face.
With pity waiting. I don't even want to see the face. That face, they fear me.
Okay, thank you. Give me that money. I want to take and settle my custom.
Jehovah no go green. I no go give you. Okay, you think I be small pikin. You dey treat me like small pikin, like I be small pikin. You go give my papa 15 naira, bring me here, make I suffer. It is I no go talk. If you give me small money, make I use cook food, I go talk. This one no go there enough.
But if I in a mad rock, if I check, here, you're a mature woman. Manage that woman.
I know mature. I still be small picking. Carry me go back to my parents. I still be baby. Carry me go back. You bring me here, make hunger keep finish me. You want me to Kwachioko? I thought to see, leave me, oh. You see, I don't go die. Hunger don't go kill me.
Why can't you manage that money?
I don't manage them. I go manage them. Did they use 500 naira for your village?
But you know, say money scarce for this country.
You don't know say money scarce. You go give my papa money, come bring me here. You don't know say money scarce. You go give them 15 naira, come on 15 naira. What do you use bring me for this place? Brainwash them, bring me here, make I dey suffer. If no be accidents. If no be accidents where make Prince, the waka again. Waiting go make me come here, come this bush, come stay with you.
Thank God for the accident. Oyibo people talk and say, what's gonna be is gonna be. You are my wife, you are now my wife. But this kind of wife, hey, this kind of wife.
I talk am. Hey. I talk this thing, I talk am say you be wizard. So everybody, they pray, they fast, make Prince, they okay. You there, they rejoice because you don't thief in wife. Because you don't thief in wife. Okay. You there, they rejoice. You be wizard.
If you know what? Give me that money. Let me go and come back. I will add 500 naira.
Huh?
500 naira.
5 what?
500 naira.
Jehovah no go agree. Make me, if I collect 500 naira for your hand. I no go try am. See, if I try am, I fit die. Oga, see. You see this money where you see so, 1, 2, 3, good. I go add them to that one where you don't give me before. I go use and cook better food. Make me and you chop. See as you be now, good food you know they chop. Bring money make we cook, you no go agree. You won't tell me make I be like you. See fresh papa like me. I no go be like you. I go use and cook food make we chop am. Hey! You see your life.
If you want to kill me,
you see your life now.
Where's my kids?
You see your life now.
You won't kill me for this house.
You won't break this little way.
You say you must bring foul. If I kill your husband.
I will bring the lot to local. Don't worry. I will bring the lot to local.
Hey.
Okay, they go market. They go market. Make I go find what time to chop. They go market.
I married because of others married. Look at my own now. I cannot go
like
job.
Between matching.
Don't
go work.
Hey.
This is sweet. Take out that they go. You go fall. You go fall again, no.
Okay. Why? Okay. Now. Okay.
Market don't go.
Okay. Look at it. Look at it. You have. Hey.
Market don't finish. Make I help you.
I would have allowed you to marry that prince.
Yes, now.
How can me have a prince?
Now you go brainwash my parents. Now you go brainwash them. I'm for them with prince now. Anyway, prince don't cripple. I no go fit marry them again. They go market.
Only God go judge both of us.
My devil go touch me. Don't tell me to one hand.
I love you, my darling. The first day I stepped my foot in here and I saw you, I fell in love with you. I just want you to know that everything is going to be okay. You will recover and you will rule, and rule very well. I am always here, and I'm not leaving. Never.
I want to trust in this life, nobody to trust you. You better shine your eyes.
Hi? Use your wig! You look You are That's good. Thank Thank you for waking up. You don't know how much this means to me. Thank you. Wow!
It's really looking nice on you. That is beautiful. Well, by the time you put on this, yes, Madame Royal. I don't even feel. I don't even feel.
No, my queen. This is okay. I have this one already. I don't need the beads. I don't need them. I'm comfortable.
Don't worry.
You will get used to it.
Okay?
Are you okay?
Yes, my queen. Yes. Yes. I'm fine.
Are you alright?
Yes. Yes, my queen.
Give me your hand. You'll be alright. It's okay,
Dalo. Yes, my queen.
Are you pregnant?
No. Just don't know.
When last did you see your menstruation?
I haven't seen it this month.
Wow. You don't have to doubt it. You are pregnant. This is sign of pregnancy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's fine. Well, I'll be traveling tomorrow.
Oh.
To come back in 3 days. Please, take care of the prince.
My queen, speaking of the prince, he actually woke up last night.
Really?
Yes, he held my hands while I was with him. He woke up.
My prince woke up last night?
Yes.
And let me see. That's a good news. That the gods will lift you up again. How are you feeling now?
I feel a lot better, Mom.
I can see that, my son. Don't worry. The throne is yours. Nobody is going to drag it with you. And you are going to rule it with Daluchi.
If the gods permit me to be with Dalu, so be it.
So shall it be. What would you like to eat? Let me ask the maids to prepare it for you.
I want coconut water.
Coconut water? Just that? It's alright.
Thank you, Mom.
My prince, you scared me.
What were you doing in my study room? I'll repeat myself. What were you doing in my study room?
I went to use the laptop in there to send a mail, but unfortunately it had password on it.
No one goes in there except me. Are you aware?
I'm sorry, my prince, but is that why you're like this?
You shall be punished for your mistakes.
What? For?
You shall not leave this room for 3 days. I'll repeat myself.
That automatically means you shall be locked up in this room for 3 days.
My prince.
God, take me out of here.
What? My prince! Okay. Okay. What about Dalichi?
My queen, the prince locked her in her room for 3 days.
The prince did what? Why?
It's not a serious matter, my queen. The prince got angry and punished her, even served her a divorce paper.
Hold on, I'm coming. How could you? How could you lock up your wife for 3 good days?
Mom, she entered my study room without my consent.
And so what? She is your wife. It's her right.
Mom, she doesn't have the right to do that.
Naya, that girl is carrying your child. Just 3 days that I traveled out of this kingdom. You have to unleash that kind of wickedness on your wife? That is bad. That is bad. So bad. Dal, please, I am sorry for everything. Forgive him for my sake.
Does it mean I've regained my freedom?
Sure, you have regained your freedom.
Alright, I need to bathe now. But are you sure that I've regained my freedom?
You have your freedom, please. I am so sorry for everything. The family doctor will be coming to run a check on you. So let's be sure that you and the baby are fine. Please, by tomorrow, you'll be going for antenatal.
There will be no need for that. I need to bathe. So long as I've regained my freedom, that's all that matters.
Greetings.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. She's perfectly fine. Nothing's going to happen to her.
Oh.
Yeah.
She's perfectly okay?
Yeah, she's perfectly fine. Like, nothing at all is wrong with her. She's not facing rest, no pain.
It's alright. Thank you so much.
Yeah. I would like to rush to the hospital. I have a patient waiting on me.
Oh.
But if anything comes up, just let me know. I will come.
It's alright. Thank you so much, eh?
Thank you.
See you some other time.
No problem, my friend.
Daluchi.
My queen.
Where are you going with your bag?
My queen, I'm going back to my father's house.
Why?
My queen, your son does not love me. If he loves me, he will not lock me up in my room for 3 good days. 3 good days.
Daluchi.
My queen.
I have cautioned him. Please, you can't live like this.
My queen, I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry, oh. I have to go. You can't change my mind. I made up my mind already. My queen, I'm sorry.
Don't worry. Okay. Daluchi, don't do this.
My queen,
Daluchi! Daluchi!
Who is in love with the king? Who is in love? Who is in love with the prince? Who is
Come in.
got my faith, lead me through.
Do them, my prince.
Kara, how may I help you?
My prince, Daluchi is about leaving the palace. Please stop her.
It's okay. Let her leave. Please do not stop her.
But my prince, she's pregnant for you. Let her not go with your baby.
It doesn't matter. Honestly, I care less. Anyone can get pregnant for me. So let her go and don't stop her, please.
My prince.
That's enough. Go back to work.
Daluchi, you don't have to leave the palace no matter what.
So I should die because I want to marry the prince? Eh, Mama?
I never said so, but you should have exercised patience because the queen never supported him.
I don't care, Mama. Her son locked me in for 3 good days. 3 good days and he never cared if I lived or died. I don't understand it. Why would I marry him? I don't get it. He even served me divorce papers. Haba. Mama, please, oh. I'm not. Listen, we have enough money now. We'll just go meet Mazin Bacho and other people. We'll settle them and they release Papa for us. Just imagine him serving me divorce paper. Mama, please.
Are you sure that the prince does not have a spiritual wife? Amaka, be mindful of what you're saying, you know. Be very mindful. Be very mindful. Come to think of it now. Can't you see that all the women, all the ladies that came to this palace, they've all gone. All the women, not even a single one is still left in this compound. I think Amaka is right though.
Daluchi that everyone loves also left the palace. I'm wonder, like I'm very surprised.
My sister, Obrogun Wegano, will you stay back? The prince locked her for 3 days. 3 good days. Hey. In the guest room when the queen traveled. That made her hang and she left. What are you saying? But to be honest, that prince staying in Naya is very rude to some women sometimes. And I don't like that at all.
Amaka, and adding on every time. I'm leaving. I don't want to put me through here.
I'm not here.
Papa, Steve, wait. Papa, please. Papa, I'm here, Papa.
Oh God!
Who could have?
Papa, think very. Papa, I'm here, Papa. Papa, wait, it's me. Oh God! Papa, please! Papa, please! Oh God, Papa, please! Papa, I'm here. Papa, I'm here.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's look for a way to take him away.
Don't take him anywhere.
Let's look for a way to... We have to carry him from this place.
Papa! Papa, please!
Yeah.
Papa, please!
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Papa! Papa, please! Papa, please! Papa! Papa, please don't do this, Papa! How can I take her? Where is my husband? Where is my husband? Oh, where is my husband? Hey! Stop putting it alone. Hey! Oh, yeah, baby, Padua. Oh, CJ. Hi, Chimo. Hi. Hi.
My heart is broken.
This is too much. It is too much for me to bear. Too much for you. It is too much for me to bear. No It's okay, baby. Where is my husband? Hi. Where is my husband? Hi. Hi. We lost the fear. Hi.
Shameless family! Your father was a debtor, he couldn't pay his bills.
You're running! You're running! You see, you and your father. You and your father. No, come and stay! I won't do anything.
Yes! Yes! And where is he get me? And where is he get me? Oh!
You're running! You and your father! Your father is a debtor! He can't pay his bills! He can't pay! He can't do anything!
Oh, why am
I am so sorry for the loss of your father. Please take heart.
Chizzy, it's okay. Thank you for coming through.
I know you never expected to see me here.
Well, not really. I'm glad you came, okay? Meanwhile, Joke and I were no longer together.
I'm so sorry, okay? Look, I never knew that was his intention that night.
It's okay. It's gone.
Those wicked men, they need to be arrested, you know.
The thing is, I've not set my eyes on those men. I haven't seen them.
I pray God will intervene for you and your mother. Meanwhile, have you informed the Queen?
I'll tell her later. Not now.
It's okay.
Are you really sure that I shouldn't get you anything?
No, I'm fine, thank you. Thank you.
I'm glad you came.
I'm glad to see you too. Come here.
What are you doing here?
Daluchi, I sent you to the palace for good. And this is how you decided to pay me back.
What are you talking about? I don't understand. Joke, please stop it. You're scaring me. What's that? Just stop.
Daluchi, I sent you to the palace for you to extort money from the Queen. But you went there and threw yourself at the prince. And so wasn't the case?
You went there and got pregnant for the prince. How desperate could you be?
Okay, fine. How did you know I'm pregnant?
How do I know? For real, you are asking me how I knew you are pregnant. Then which what do you take me for? A child.
So in your little brain, you think the Queen would not tell me
of your stupidity, of your mannerless behavior in that palace.
It's okay. See, listen to me, please. You better stop shouting. Because you see this thing between us, it's been gone. It ended a long time ago. So please take your smelly, cheating self off my compound.
Daluchi, why are you acting like this? Why are you being this unnecessarily wicked and mean? The very day I visited you at the health center, I promised you personally that I will marry you. I assured you that once I become the prince, the king of this kingdom, I will reward you. But what do you do? What do you choose to do? To betray me? Now you listen to me, Daluchi. I would suggest, for your own good, that you should abort this baby and leave that palace once you are done with the reason why I sent you there. Am I clear? And leave there at once.
Really?
And if you fail to do so, Daluchi will not like me.
Huh?
You will not like me.
I will not like you. I will not like you. You want me to do what? Abort the pregnancy? For who? Why? For you? What becomes of me then? No, you tell me. If I abort it, what becomes of me?
Can you listen to yourself, Daluchi? Can you just listen to yourself?
I'm listening.
I am your man. I am your future husband.
Wow.
I sent you there that you should extort money from the Queen. Then when I become the prince,
of this kingdom, the crown prince of this very kingdom. Hey! This we set, but you went there and threw yourself so cheap at the... Now you listen to me.
Hey, stop it! Just stop! Stay back! What's wrong with you? If you try any nonsense with me, Really? You think I'm scared of you? So you have your eyes on the prince? Like you have your eyes on the crown? Oh, wow! So I should abort the pregnant... Joke. Listen. You see me, I am not scared of you. If you know what is good for you, you take your cheating, smelling self out from here, or else I'll go inside. I'll go get all the needles there, and I'll redesign you. Rubbish.
Did you just push me?
And I'll push you again. If care is not taken, I'll push you out of my gate.
Daluchi.
Yes?
You lay this, your cursed, your filthy hands on me.
Try rubbish now. Just come close.
Now you listen to me. If I am to repeat myself again in this very topic, in this very situation again, Bana Balago, Daluchi, I will strangle you with my bare hands. I will kill you. Now be warned. You have to get to that palace, execute the initial plans, and exit from there.
Get out.
Else.
Else. Else.
I do not make an empty threat.
Get out.
And you know that about me.
Get out.
We shall see.
Zeno, check who's at the gate. My dear.
Yes.
I was worried. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I called your number, you weren't speaking.
I'm sorry, my queen. It's just that I did not want to disturb anybody ever since my father passed away.
Your father is dead?
Yes, my queen.
And you never bothered to tell me.
I'm sorry. I just did not want to disturb you with the matter.
But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, my dear. Just be strong. Yeah? The door is open for you anytime, any day. Thank you. I think you need some rest. If not for anything, for the baby, please let's go inside.
No. You listen to me. What's wrong with you? You need to stop threatening me. You really need to stop it. Because I never had any agreement with you before marrying the prince. What's wrong with you?
Listen, Daluchi, why are you so daft? You must give me a listening ear. Why are you so daft?
Why am I so daft? Are you okay? Why am I so daft?
Look at me. I am telling you now that you must obey my instructions.
Excuse you. What stupid, useless, nonsense instructions are you talking about? Eh? Joke, if you really needed that throne, then walk to the queen and tell her your intentions. What is it?
Really?
Yes. please, really.
So this is all about all this your this all, let me tell you something, You don't know how deadly I can be. But if you refuse to abort this baby,
yes, you know, we're enjoying the environment.
the treatment, the good gesture, the other. Yes, what is there in your bag?
Nothing.
Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good.
Hey.
Now you listen to me. If you refuse to abort this baby, Dawichi, I will kill you and no one will find out what happened to you. What nonsense is that? Do not ruin my plans. Do you get me? But if you refuse, I will deal with you. I will kill you.
God, what kind of temptation is this? Joke just came back into my life again to destroy my marriage with the prince. If he continues, I will have no choice than to expose him to the queen. Sincerely.
I don't understand it. What are you doing here and how did you get into this room?
I have a spare key.
What if I had walked out naked and you're here?
There's nothing wrong with that. You're my wife.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you want?
I'm here to have a conversation with my wife.
Your wife? Really, your wife? A woman you served divorce papers and you did not care to see when she came back into this palace. Really?
Maybe I need to refresh your memory. I didn't ask you to leave. You left on your own accord. And don't expect me to welcome you back. Do you?
You see, alright? The only reason I'm here is because of your mom, the queen. And once I give birth to this child, I am never stepping my foot back into this palace. Please leave.
Who is in love with the king? Who is in love?
Get out.
Who is in love with the prince? Who is in
Will
love?
yourself out.
Come my faith, lead me through. Come my faith to you. Come my faith, lead me through. Come my faith to you. In this life, nobody to trust you. better shine your eyes. You better shine your
Hold on.
eyes.
Easy.
Use your brain. Use your sense, yo. Cause love is not by mouth. Love is by action.
Easy. Hey! Joking, please, you're hurting me, stop!
So you think I'm joking with you, right? You think I'm joking with you?
No. Hey, what's wrong with you?
You want to ruin my plans, right? You want to ruin my plans. I warned you not to keep this pregnancy, but you insisted, right? Now listen to me. You must have to go with me to the hospital and abort this baby. You can still pretend to be pregnant, right? And be expecting me from the prince and the queen. Do you get me right?
Oh, really?
Do you get me right?
Get you right. What do you mean by getting you right? So you have your eyes on the crown. It's not yours. It's for the prince.
You must be sick, Dauchi. So you think you can walk all the way from the village and come here to ruin my plans for me, right? See, let me tell you, if you mess up this plan for me, I will kill you here and no one will find out what happened to you. Do you get me right?
Are you being serious right now? You want to throw somebody that does not belong to you. What's wrong with you?
If you do anything to mess it up for me or for me, I will strangle you right now. Do you get me right? Good. Now listen to me and listen carefully. You must abort this baby right now. Or you will lose your life. The throne belongs to me. The prince can never walk again. And if you are to spoil this for me, I will strangle you.
Okay, stop it. Please.
Now, what is out? Now, I kill you.
What?
I kill you now. Walk it out. In here. I was actually we were talking about in here.
So you've had eyes on the throne all this while?
No.
You want to be king?
No.
Wow.
My brother, I'm so sorry, please, my brother. I'm really so sorry. It's the work of devil. Believe me. It wasn't deliberate. I'm so sorry. I'm really so sorry, my brother. Please forgive me. Remember what we've shared in the past.
What?
Remember everything we've shared. I'm so sorry. Save me the shame. I beg of you, please.
Are you there?
Mother, I know you're very surprised to see me without my wheelchair. The truth is, I was never paralyzed. Doctor, I really need your help. I've got a series of women in my life. And presently, I can't choose who truly loves me or not. I don't know if they love me for my money or they love me because I'm royalty. I need to be sure.
True.
I need your help. Here's what I want you to do for me. Tell my mother the accident was fatal and I got paralyzed. Listen, I know in the course of the accident, nothing happened to me.
Sure.
But I want to use this opportunity to find out if those women love me for me or they love me because I'm royalty.
My prince, it's really hard for me. Like, it's really out of my job ethics. Like, I could lose my license for this. But what if Queen finds out? Like, what are we going to do about that?
Listen, I understand this is risky for you, but then no one is going to find out. Are you going to tell the Queen?
No, my prince, you know I wouldn't do that.
Then help me. Then help me. Listen, I need to find out who truly loves me unconditionally. And you're the only person who can help me. Please.
My prince, I think we would need a wheelchair then. Let me do something about it. I'll take it from there.
A wheelchair?
Yeah.
You put me on a wheelchair?
I have to make it look real.
Oh, that's brilliant. It's okay. I'll sort it out.
That would be nice.
Alright? Just tell me what I need to do, how much I need to pay. Alright?
Okay, my prince. I'll do that.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thanks for your concern. I appreciate it.
Hello, my prince. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm calling in reference of your mom's request. Yeah, sure. What about the implants? Okay, that's good. I'll inform you then. Thank you. Bye.
The doctor and I planned everything just to find true love. But unfortunately, all the women left because they obviously could not be with a man in a wheelchair.
You could do this to me? Your mother?
Mom, I apologize, but I'm excited to tell you that everything was a prank. I was never paralyzed. It was a decision we made to find true love, but unfortunately, they all left. So that means they were not meant to be with me. However, I'm aware of everything happening in this house. I'm aware of the agreement you had with Daluchi the day she entered my study room.
Daluchi,
Yes, my queen.
take this. It's a check of 500,000 naira.
Okay.
Use it. Pay up your father's debt. By the time we finalize this deal, you will gain more from me.
Thank you so much, my queen. Thank you. Let me rush and give this to my mother. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's all right.
What the hell is she doing in my study room? What is she trying to find out? Wheelchair. My wheelchair. The day Daluchi entered this palace, she fell in love. And to be honest, I actually feel the same way for her.
What? And you betrayed me. Daluchi, so this was your plan? She was my girlfriend.
Shut up. I said shut up. That's an order. Mom, Daluchi is an amazing woman. One of a kind. Beautiful inside out. I am completely short of words. I do not know the right words to qualify her with. Mom, not every woman would stand by her man. But Daluchi stood by me. Even when this bastard told her to abort her child just to extort money from you because he wants to be king. Daluchi refused. She vehemently said no.
I gotta explain very quick. I'm so sorry.
Mother, I'm excited that you're here because I'm going to apologize to... She said no. And she stood by me. Daluchi, I apologize for everything. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what you have been through. And I promise you, I'll put a smile on your face. Henceforth, give me the chance to make things right. I'll control things from this point. And as for him, I'll hand him over to the authorities.
India, please, my kid, please.
Touch me.
I don't know, brother, please, if I have to walk up there.
Hey. I'm going to walk past you. Do not touch me.
Dr. Jules.
My queen.
Why would you hide a thing like this from me? Do you know I totally believed that my son will never walk again?
My queen, I'm sorry I hid this from you, but I made a promise to the prince that I wasn't going to tell anyone about this, not even you, my queen.
Can you see?
I found
out?
Yeah, you found out, but I think the plan helped us get the prince a good wife, and Daluchi looks perfect for him because I think she would be comfortable enough to get him a child.
Thank you. I so much appreciate you.
You're welcome, my queen.
Your cooperation is top notch. Thank you so much.
I'm just doing my job, my queen.
Thank you. All right, you're welcome.
I know how you feel. I'm here to apologize for everything I did to you. I've wronged you. And please help me.
I forgive you, Brian. I mean, you know, I can't keep harboring things in my mind. It's just so draining. So I forgive you.
You forgive me?
I love you. So I forgive you.
I love you too.
Obieze kwenu. Rienu. Uonu. Uonu. Zonu. Kachano. A very great thing is of our life. Yes. King is about to come. That's all. Let's start the process of crowning. My prince, the eyes are fine.
You better shine your eyes. You better shine your eyes. Use your brain. Use your sense, yo. Cause love is not by might. Love is by action.
Okay, name. Warwa. Nana Maria. I didn't mean. Rumena, I can do. Oganaga. There's a question. Today, by the authority bestowed on me, as the only woman of Obibi's kingdom, I hereby crown you today as Igwe Naya, the first Nkizizi of Obibieze. I crown you today, being a kebe. I crown you on Ori Day. Afo.
Ise.
Nkwo.
Ise.
Yes. Asị m na ị ga-achịka nka. Asị m na ị ga-achịka nka. Your reign shall be successful. Nobody will be able to stand against you. Yes. Nobody will challenge your authority. And you shall reign forever. Look at your stamp of authority. Hold it. From now on, you are the revered king of Obieze kingdom, taken after your father, who took from his own father. Igwe Obieze. Eyina. Obieze Obieze. Ayi kene. Igwe. Obieze. Igwe ki igwe. Okangara abale zamba. Obato obio. Che. Niba yekene mono. Rienu. Zonu. Kwe zonu. Let's call the wrong. Our queen. Yes. You are permanent seat in this kingdom. The boy can have one. Yeah. Let us sit and watch our king and bless us. Thank you, my queen. My great queen mother. Thank you.
I'm very excited to be a part of this historic event. My heart is filled with joy. I have been crowned king, as it should be. Therefore, I'm seizing this moment to say thank you to everyone who made this possible.
Because when the going becomes smooth and good, you will have many.
Onowu, I want to specifically thank you for your efforts. Your prayers, and your encouragement. May the gods spare your life. And to my beloved mother, the Queen, I love you so much. Thank you for standing by me. Thank you for praying for me. And most importantly, for your love.
You're welcome, my son. Your happiness is all I want.
My faith lead me through. Got my faith to you.
By the power vested on me as king, on behalf of my wife, I hereby dissolve your position as cabinet chiefs in my kingdom. Iche Anuka and Iche Niheme, please rise.
My king.
Take off your caps.
My king, it's a royal command. Must you obey without speaking?
Henceforth, you're banished from this kingdom. You are not expected to return.
My king.
Shut up. Failure to do so would be at the expense of your lives. Now get out.
My king. First royal command.
There is nothing hidden under the sun that cannot be revealed. One day, always be careful to avoid hard I know. Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things find so much. Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things find so much. If it's not love, it might be death. Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things find so much.